In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to share your screen with audio in Discord mobile. Let's get started. First, launch your Discord app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're inside the app, go to any server you want and join a voice channel by tapping the Join Voice option. After joining the voice chat, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open more options. Here, you will see the option Share Your Screen feature. Tap on it. Choose the app or screen you want to share and then start the screen broadcast. Now, if you also want people to hear the audio from your phone while screen sharing, simply swipe up again and look for the audio settings or change audio output option. Make sure your phone audio is enabled and properly selected so Discord can share both your screen and sound together. And that's basically it. Your friends in the Discord voice channel will now be able to see your screen and hear the audio at the same time. So this is how you can easily share your screen along with the audio in Discord mobile device. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.